Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing of SD Biosensor Standard Q COVID-19 IgM IgG Combo Antibody Test Kit. This is basically used for the COVID antibody testing, and this is a 20 pack type. You can see that here. Yeah, I'm going to show you the box. This is how the box looks like. Okay, this is manufactured from SD Biosensor from India. This is the side of the boxes, how it looks like. The standard contents are the 20 test cassettes and the specimen transfer device, the buffer bottle and the instruction manual. Just to the bottom, and this is the other side. This is the top. Okay, let me open this for you. Typically it is well sealed with the QC pass. We're just opening this box exclusively for you. Okay, if you could see, let me see this here. Okay, the box contains as I said, the box contains an instruction manual. It is complete detailed instruction manual for conducting the test procedures. This is how it looks like. Just see the manual. Yes, how to interpret the results, how to do the test. This is the instruction manual. Let me keep this here. Instruction manual. You can see the 20 test cassettes here. Let me take there is capillary tube. We have the capillary tube also. I mean, there is for the 20 tests you have 10 packs each capillary tubes. You can see this here, and we have a 4 ml buffer bottle. 4 ml buffer bottle. Okay, let me keep it here. I'll show you there are 20 test cassettes here. We'll take 2 cassettes to show you the cassettes. You can see the front side of the cassette, the other side here. Typically this product is has a 2 years validity. This is how the kit looks like. Let me quickly summarize. This is a standard QS from SD Biosensor COVID-19 IgM IgG Combo Kit, which is an antibody test kit for COVID-19. So this is the SD Biosensor product, and typically this is a 20 test kit type. And quickly to show the contents, you have 20 cassettes inside the box, and you have the one instruction manual and 10 pack of 2, which is the capillary tube to take the blood out, and you have the buffer liquid, and you have here's the test cassettes. This is how the complete kit looks like. Thank you.